Hello everyone, Andrew here. Today I'm going to show you how to create this simple cloud simulation in Blender. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let's delete this plane. We don't need it anymore. Every asset used in this scene is from BlenderKit. If you don't know what BlenderKit is, it's basically a free add-on that contains a lot of 3D models, materials, HDRIs, and much more. I will leave a link in the description below. In order to have a cloud simulation working well, we need to set up a few things first. So, we want to have a plane that fall on this bed right here, and to do that, we need to set some physics to the bed as well. So, let me show you what happens if we don't do that. Let's add a plane with Shift A. Let's scale it on the X axis and a bit on the Y axis, and let's apply a cloud simulation on this plane. Now, if we hit play, the plane will go right through the bed and fall into the world, and we don't want that. So let's select the pad and let's apply a collision physics to it. And now if we hit play again, we can see that the plane is staying on it without falling. But to make sure that the plane is not falling again into the world, we have to set a collision physics to the base as well. And now we can continue on the cloud simulation to make it more perfect. So, getting back to the plane, in order to make it look more smooth and work as a cloud, we need to subdivide it. To do that, you just need to press tab, select the face, and with right click, press subdivide. And now you have to select here the amount of cuts that you want to do. Let's put 15 to start with. Okay, so as you can see, we have 15 cuts here and about 256 faces. We can see this amount here. So if we play the animation, it will look like this. It's okay, but not perfect. And in order to make it more close-like, we need to subdivide it a couple of more times. So let's do that and see how is it going to look. I subdivide it 3 more times, and I think that's enough. You can subdivide it how many times you want, but keep in mind that your computer will start to fill it, so we'll keep it as it is. Let's go to the render view. I'll be using Eevee for this one. Now let's give it a material. I will not create one, I will just use one from the list here. Let's see, let's go with this one. Okay, and if we hit again, it is looking quite well. Now you can adjust the camera, you can adjust the lighting. For this scene I used an HDRI, and that's it. You can use it as many times as you want. If you find this tutorial helpful, please let me know. I am planning to create a few more into the future, so please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Again, thank you for your time. Bye bye.